Maine's environment exists in a delicate balance with the lives and well-being of its residents. As responsible stewards of this remarkable state, Mainers understand the importance of protecting this balance from harmful pests. A pest refers to any organism that poses a threat to our health, environment, or economic well-being. Invasive insects, troublesome weeds, fungi, rodents, viruses, and bacteria are all pests that can cause significant damage if left unchecked. One tool to combat these organisms are pesticides, substances designed to control, manage, and eliminate pests. Examples include insecticides, herbicides, disinfectants, and fungicides. In the hands of an informed user, pesticides offer many benefits. But pesticides can also pose risks if improperly used, and be an unnecessary expense if there are more effective ways to address a pest problem. That's where the Maine Board of Pesticides Control comes in. The Board of Pesticides Control, or BPC, is a dedicated state agency of diverse professionals and public members committed to ensuring the responsible access, use, and distribution of pesticides throughout the state. Our full-time staff works tirelessly to safeguard public health, protect our environment, and promote sustainable pest management practices. The BPC works closely with the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency to enforce federal and state regulations. This partnership ensures that Maine maintains high standards in pesticide control, aligning with national guidelines and best practices. While enforcement of pesticide regulation may be necessary in a variety of industries, the BPC's authority is limited exclusively to the sale, transportation, use, and disposal of pesticides. For broader concerns, other state agencies should be contacted. These regulations are best outlined in an important piece of legislation called the Federal Insecticide, Fungicide, and Rodenticide Act, or FIFRA. FIFRA establishes a framework for the regulation, registration, and use of pesticides in the United States. This legislation ensures that all EPA-registered pesticides undergo rigorous testing and evaluation before entering the market. At the BPC, we work hard to ensure that all federally registered pesticides in Maine meet FIFRA and state standards. The BPC diligently works to enforce FIFRA and Maine regulations in order to safeguard consumers and industry professionals. Though the enforcement of FIFRA and state regulations is a crucial part of our work, the BPC also collaborates with the University of Maine Cooperative Extension to offer education in integrated pest management. Integrated pest management, or IPM, is an effective and environmentally sensitive approach to pest management that relies on a combination of common sense practices. It emphasizes prevention, monitoring, and targeted interventions, reducing the reliance on pesticides. The goal of IPM is to inspire anyone with a pest problem to think first and spray last. The Maine Department of Agriculture, Conservation, and Forestry has a full-time IPM specialist that oversees public outreach, school programs, and various working groups within the department. This specialist can also help with the identification of pests and gives presentations for commercial applicators looking to receive recertification credits. You can learn more about IPM, your rights and responsibilities, understanding pesticide labeling, and professional regulatory requirements by watching our videos or by contacting the BPC. With your help, we can keep pests in check without compromising the quality of life here in Maine.